Are you speaking to your teacher right now? I'm speaking to my teacher right now. I'm not speaking to my teacher right now. Are you speaking on the phone with your friend? I'm speaking on the phone with my friend. I'm not speaking on the phone with my friend. Are you speaking in English during class? I'm speaking in English during class. I'm not speaking in English during class. Are you speaking to your parents about the trip? I'm speaking to my parents about the trip. I'm not speaking to my parents about the trip. Are you speaking in front of the class today? I'm speaking in front of the class today. I'm not speaking in front of the class today. Are you speaking at the meeting this afternoon? I'm speaking at the meeting this afternoon. I'm not speaking at the meeting this afternoon. Are you speaking with your boss about your schedule? I'm speaking with my boss about my schedule. I'm not speaking with my boss about my schedule. Are you speaking with the doctor right now? I'm speaking with the doctor right now. I'm not speaking with the doctor right now. Are you speaking to your classmates about the project? I'm speaking to my classmates about the project. I'm not speaking to my classmates about the project. Are you speaking to the audience during the event? I'm speaking to the audience during the event. I'm not speaking to the audience during the event. Are you speaking in a low voice because of the baby? I'm speaking in a low voice because of the baby. I'm not speaking in a low voice because of the baby. Are you speaking to the group about the new ideas? I'm speaking to the group about the new ideas. I'm not speaking to the group about the new ideas. Are you speaking to your sister about her new boyfriend? I'm speaking to my sister about her new boyfriend. I'm not speaking to my sister about her new boyfriend. Are you speaking on stage to the audience? I'm speaking on stage to the audience. I'm not speaking on stage to the audience. Are you speaking to the tour guide during the trip? I'm speaking to the tour guide during the trip. I'm not speaking to the tour guide during the trip. Are you speaking to the customer about their order? I'm speaking to the customer about their order. I'm not speaking to the customer about their order. Are you speaking with your friend about the party? I'm speaking with my friend about the party. I'm not speaking with my friend about the party. Are you speaking at the conference next week? I'm speaking at the conference next week. I'm not speaking at the conference next week. Are you speaking to one of the neighbors about the crime? I'm speaking to one of the neighbors about the crime. I'm not speaking to one of the neighbors about the crime.